Okay, so now what we're going to do is clean up this right sidebar some. We're going to remove the archives and a couple things that we don't need. And then we're going to add a blog page that we can actually add to our custom menu up top here. So what we'll do is head back to Aspire and then Dashboard. Then we'll head to Appearance and then Widgets. So you might be thinking, what's a widget? Widgets simply allow you to add content and features to your theme, which can be found in the sidebar, which we're about to adjust right now, the footer, sometimes in the header. Basically, it allows you to extend the functionality of your website by adding video, a calendar, a search feature, social share buttons, all sorts of little goodies. So we're about to adjust this primary sidebar right now, and I'll show you just what you can do with widgets. And this is our primary sidebar right here, and this is all the content that's being shown on that sidebar. So what we'll do is go ahead and remove archives. Just click it and then drag it over and it'll remove it. And then we're going to remove meta. And then let's go ahead and then add Pinnacle social links up top. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead and add in our social outlets. If you don't have any, that's okay. You can set those up. That's outside of the scope of this tutorial. We have some information on that if you'd like to learn about that. But you literally just pop in your URLs for each of these social outlets. So what we'll do is just grab, here's my Facebook, copy that, paste it in there, Twitter, and the importance of this is that you never know where people prefer to absorb content. Some people are on Facebook all day, LinkedIn, YouTube. This gives them an opportunity to view your content on those platforms. So we'll go ahead and save changes. Perfect. Then we'll head back to the site. Take a look at our post now. And there's our social. Click it, it goes right over to Facebook. So now what we're going to do is create a page so we can add this to our custom menu up top of our website, right up here, so we can display all of our blog posts. So what we'll do is head back to Aspire, Dashboard, and then add a new page. And this is so easy. Just title this blog. Then head over to Template and let's go to Blog. Select Blog there, and then go to Display Sidebar. Yes. And then we'll go ahead and update it. All right, and then View Page. Awesome. Now this is going to display all of our blog posts. Okay, so any new blog post that you add to the site, this will display up top. So it'll always populate at the very top. Looks really good. So now what we'll do is add this page to our menu up top. So we'll go to Aspire, Dashboard, Appearance, Menus, and then we want to select Blog and then Add to Menu. Then we'll just go ahead and resort this. That looks good. Let's keep it alphabetical. And then Visit Site. There you go. And then we'll just go ahead and select Blog here. Perfect. Okay guys, now we're going to give our site some serious presence. Make it look really fresh and sophisticated. You're going to love this. So what we're going to do is head to Aspire, Dashboard. Let's go to Appearance and then Theme Options. And then all we'll do is go down here, and then we want to adjust this all the way, both of these, all the way to the right. They should be set at 300, and then Save Changes. All right, let's take a peek at the site now. Yes, this site looks so good. This is exactly what you want. It is very fresh, it has a great presence, very approachable, and very inviting. And check this out. It's completely responsive. See how it adjusts? Pretty cool, right? Okay, so now what we're going to do is edit this site title. And I'm going to show you how to add a custom logo if you prefer to do that. So what we'll do is head back over to the dashboard, then head down to Appearance and then Theme Options. Then head down to Home Slider. And then we're just going to erase this Welcome To. and it's just going to be our site name. As you can see, it's pre-populated. It's a little short code. So whatever your site name is, that's what will show up here. Save changes, and let's take a look. Okay, nice. Now we're going to make this bigger and all capitalized. I want to take a step back for a moment. Sometimes with this theme, and as with any WordPress theme, I saved it, but it didn't make the change at first, so I went back and did that. But what you can do, if that happens to you, is just go to the dashboard, and I always just do this. If you try to make an edit inside the appearance, let's see, you go to theme options, and if you make an edit anywhere in here, and you save changes, and it doesn't adjust those changes, just go to menus, and then save menu. And that seems to work. Just to save it sometimes in a different place, it seems to make the necessary changes. So now what we're going to do is make the site title right here, Aspire, a lot bigger so it really pops. And we're going to do that by heading over to Aspire, then Dashboard. Then we'll head down to Appearance and then Theme Options. And then we're going to head down to Custom CSS. Now don't be scared by this. This is just a little piece of code that I put in here so we can make the site title a lot bigger. And I'm going to include this below this video in the description area. So all you'll have to do is just copy and paste it right in this custom CSS area. So, and you can actually adjust this. I put it at about 150. You can make it smaller, 100 or 200, whatever's comfortable for you, whatever you prefer on your website. So you're about to see what it looks like here. It looks really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and save changes, and we'll take a look at the site. You see the difference? It looks awesome. You can leave it as is, or you can put that little piece of code in there. And like I said, I'll put it in the description area below the video here. And you can make it look like this, which I think it creates more, it just breathes more life into the website. I just really like the way this looks. Now real quick, I have one more really cool trick that you're going to love. If you'd like to change this background image right here for whatever reason, all you need to do is head to Aspire, Dashboard, then Appearance, Theme Options, then head to Page Title, and all you need to do is upload an image right here. Now I'm just going to upload, for brevity, I'm going to upload one of these. And ensure when you do this, let's go ahead and click this one, that you see this size over here. It says 3,456 by 2304. Ideally, you'd like to keep both of these under 2,000 if possible. It's going to help with your load speed on your site, and the search engines don't like it when images are bogging down your site with too big a file. So try to keep that under 2,000 for each of those. So just for the sake of example here, I'm just going to go ahead and upload this. I'm going to go ahead and click Select and then Save Changes. And it's that simple. Head back to Aspire. And there you have it. It looks awesome, actually. So you can change that to whatever you like. Like I said, just make sure it's under 2,000 for each of those. And then, of course, to change it back, all you would do is head back to Aspire, Dashboard, Theme Options, and then just remove that, and then Save Changes. And there you go. It's right back to normal. So this is the default always, but you can always upload whatever you'd like. Okay, so if you have a logo, or you prefer to have a custom logo up here, and to replace this theme generated logo, let me show you where to do that and how to do it. So you would head back to Aspire, Dashboard, and we have you covered. If you don't know how to make a custom logo, we have a little video on that actually down below. I'll show you here in a second. That within 5 minutes you can have an awesome little logo for your website. So let's head to Appearance and then Theme Options. Then let's go to Logo Options. And then I'm going to go ahead and upload one. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the Pinnacle Demo logo. We'll go ahead and select that. Save Changes. And then let's head to Site Header. And then we'll upload it here as well. Save Changes. And there you go. There you have a logo up top. And let me show you where you can find So if you check out this little video right here, you can have a killer little logo for your website within like 5 minutes or so. Okay, so now what we're going to do is add a social links widget to our footer area right down here, so our social links show up here in the footer. So we'll head back to Aspire and then Dashboard, then head to Appearance Widgets. Then we want to just go ahead and click Pinnacle Social Links, and then we're going to put it right in footer column 1. And you could add things like a calendar in here. You can add a search field. You can add a tag cloud. You can play around with these little widgets and add them in there and see what works for your website. But this is what I'm going to add here for now. So what we'll do is go ahead and just copy the ones I have up here. Okay, so I've got them all in there now, and I'll go ahead and save this. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at the site. And our social link should now be down in the footer. Awesome. So that's it for this video. Congratulations, you made it. I'm pumped for you. I know this can be a lot to understand just starting out. I encourage you to go back through this video and revisit the concepts that you're just getting familiar with. Like I said at the beginning, I built this website in a natural way so you will understand how to effectively create a conversion-driven website that is focused on the desires and needs of your website visitors, and for you to ultimately understand the nuances and concepts of WordPress and its functionality to accomplish this. So thank you for taking the time to stick with me and press through this. Learning without execution is useless. It's my hope for you that you will apply what you've learned and create a profitable online business. If you're interested in learning more and how to meet your online goals faster with some fun and easy to follow videos like this one, come and see us over at websitesmadeeasy.tv.